How to refill a dispenser. Insert and turn the key to open the dispenser. Once the door is opened, you'll see instructions on the inside of the open door to make the process simpler and smoother. Lift the handle at the bottom towards you until it is able to stand alone. Do not break the paper chain that's already in the dispenser. Hold the bundle firmly and tear off the top of the packaging. Remove the bundle wrap and you'll see blue strips on both the top and the bottom of the bundle. If you don't see blue strips on the bottom of the hand towels already inside the dispenser, remove some so that the strips are visible. Place the bundle in the dispenser so that the blue strips meet each other. This assures a strong connection between paper towel bundles. Check the refill level using the side windows so that it hasn't gone over the maximum limit. Remember, the dispenser can hold up to as much as 5 bundles. Repeat until the dispenser is full. Close the handle back into its original position. Close the door and your dispenser is ready. Bring on the crowds.